Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to start a blog in Hostinger Website Builder. Let's start this beginner-friendly tutorial. First, go to hostinger.com, then click on the login link to arrive to this page. Then fill in your email address, password, and hit login. Now, from this welcoming page, go to websites, then websites list, and click on this add website button. From this list, select Hostinger Website Builder. With Hostinger Website Builder, you can create your website using AI or using pre-made templates. For this tutorial, I will go with the AI. Give your blog a name, for example, Ben's Hiking. For the description, here you need to describe your blog project in few sentences. For example, create me a hiking blog where I can share my outdoor experiences. This is a great description. Now click on this create a website button. This is a preview of your prompt result. If you are satisfied, click on this continue button to go to editing your website. If you are not satisfied, just click on create again. The Hostinger Website Builder gives you another chance to edit your description. You can add, for example, my target audience is US, for example. Click on create a website and wait again. This is the result of the second attempt. If you are not satisfied with it and you want to go back to the first one, you can switch to it just from this list. If you are not satisfied yet, you can hit create again and modify your project description. For example, create me an IT blog to share my experience with, for example, digital products. Hit create again. This is the result of the third attempt. I think I'm satisfied with it. I will go with continue. Before that, you can select your color, your blog's color from this corner. And after that, let's go and hit continue. This is my blog. To preview the mobile version, just click on this smartphone icon. You can connect your domain from here. This is your temporary domain. If you do an editing, don't forget to hit this save button. You can preview your work this way. Back to editor. You can enable the coming soon mode from here, and you can publish your website live from this button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder. And also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. From this corner, you can add an online store to your blog. You can add elements to your page, for example, a video, a text element, a button, an image. From here, you can add multiple pages and also edit the navigation of your website. You can edit your website styles, for example, the text font, the button design, animations, and also the color. And you can create images using this AI features. You can add more articles or a blog post to your blog from here. And to do heavy editing to your website, for example, integrating Google Analytics or WhatsApp or many things, you can add them from here. Let's go live. Now click on this view site link, and this is my IT blog I've created using Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.